Toxic work culture refers to an unhealthy work environment where negative behaviors, attitudes, and practices dominate, leading to employee dissatisfaction, stress, and low morale. This type of culture is often characterized by poor communication, lack of respect, excessive competition, bullying, unrealistic expectations, and a disregard for work-life balance. Common symptoms include high employee turnover, burnout, lack of trust in leadership, and a pervasive sense of fear or hostility. Some of the factors contributing to a toxic work culture may include 1. Poor leadership. Leaders who are abusive, micromanage, or fail to communicate transparently can foster negativity. 2. Lack of support. When employees do not feel supported by management or colleagues, it creates feelings of isolation and frustration. 3. Excessive work pressure. Overburdening employees with unrealistic workloads without proper resources or recognition can lead to burnout. 4. Unethical behavior. Encouraging or turning a blind eye to dishonesty, favoritism, or discriminatory practices harms trust and morale. 5. Work-life imbalance. Overemphasis on productivity at the expense of personal time can drain employees mentally and physically. 6. Poor communication. A lack of clear communication channels or communication dominated by criticism and negativity can create confusion and resentment. In such environments, employees may feel disengaged, demoralized, and may ultimately seek employment elsewhere to escape the negative impact on their mental and physical well-being. Addressing toxic work culture requires intentional changes at both the leadership and organizational levels. Solutions should focus on fostering positive communication, trust, and a healthy work-life balance. Here are some key strategies to overcome and prevent a toxic work culture. 1. Leadership development and accountability. Train leaders. Invest in leadership development programs to help managers adopt positive leadership behaviors such as empathy, transparency, and inclusivity. Hold leaders accountable. Ensure that leaders at all levels are held accountable for creating a supportive and respectful work environment. This may include regular feedback from employees. 2. Open communication channels. Encourage feedback. Foster a culture where employees feel safe to give honest feedback without fear of retaliation. Regular surveys, anonymous suggestion boxes, and open-door policies can help. Transparent communication. Leaders should communicate openly about company goals, changes, and expectations, reducing uncertainty and fostering trust. 3. Promote respect and inclusivity. Zero tolerance for toxic behaviors. Implement and enforce clear policies against bullying, harassment, and discrimination. Establish a formal process to address complaints and ensure timely resolution. Celebrate diversity. Create an inclusive environment where differences are respected and celebrated, promoting equal opportunities and fair treatment for all employees. 4. Work-life balance initiatives.